National capital recorded its coldest day of the season, that too in 11 years, with minimum temperatures dipping to 4.2 degrees this morning. Dense fog blanket has engulfed the North India, delaying 10 trains departing from the national capital. 2 trains have been cancelled. Visibility has dropped to zero at the Delhi airport, severely affecting flight operations. Churu in Rajasthan experienced the coldest night this winter, with the mercury reaching freezing points of 0.5 degrees Celsius. The 40-day period of harshest winters in Kashmir Valley, known as Chillai Kalan, has also begun. Rain and snowfall is forecast for Srinagar. Meanwhile, there are reports of one death coming in from Jaipur, where a man died due to the intense cold.
The impact of fog has been on the flight operations as well. Behind me you can see the board which is actually telling you how many flights have been delayed and cancelled. Be it Lucknow, Mumbai, Chandigarh or Kathmandu, flights are either being delayed or cancelled. Dense fog was there in the morning, due to which these flights have been delayed. We have some passengers with us. Let's speak to them. Where are you going, sir, and is your flight delayed?
Sir, I'm going to London Heathrow and I'm waiting. That flight has been delayed due to dense fog, and you know that flight has been rescheduled 2:30 right now.
It is chilling cold today also, so are you having a cup of tea to keep yourself warm?
Yeah, definitely, I'm having a lot of teas from the morning, and it's too cold to go there, and I'm feeling very cold.
Obviously, it's a chilling cold today, and in the last 5 years, 22nd December till 22nd December, temperature had not gone down to about 4.2 degrees. Today it was recorded at 5:30 a.m. So you can actually imagine, in this cold weather, passengers are waiting for their flights to take off and land at the right time. With camera person Ravi Kant, this is Shweta Sharma for Headlines Today in Delhi.
कि शहर के कई इलाकों में भी विजिबिलिटी 25 मीटर हुई है। आज सबसे घना कोहरा इस सीजन का अभी तक शहर में रहा है। आपका जो तापमान कल 6 था तो आज गिर के 4 डिग्री आ गया था। तो इस वजह से दिल्ली में आज घना कोहरा मिला है, लेकिन दिल्ली के साथ साथ पूरे बिहार में, पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में भी बहुत घना कोहरा हुआ है।
तो दिक्कत आ रही है, थोड़ी सी दूर के बाद तो दिखाई दे नहीं रहा। बारिश ऐसा मौसम रहा तो कल से तो मुश्किल लग रहा है। ऐसा ही रहा धुंध तो कल से तो मुश्किल आ पाएंगे।
हाँ सर, इंडिया गेट अभी नजर नहीं आ रहा है। हम लोग यहीं पे काम करते हैं, यहीं पे फोटोग्राफी करते हैं। तो इस टाइम कोहरे की वजह से कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
सर्दी का मौसम है, सर्दी से मतलब घर से बहुत मुश्किल है निकलना। अभी सुबह सुबह निकलना, जो सुबह सुबह निकलता है वो मजबूरी के सबब निकलता है। जिसको नहीं निकलना चाहिए, उसको बच्चों और बुजुर्ग के लिए ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है सुबह सुबह निकलना। अगर इंशाल्लाह अगर अल्लाह ताला ने चाहा कुछ गिरेगा, बारिश गिरेगा या बर्फ गिरेगी तो कुछ फर्क आएगी इस मौसम में।
आज तो ठंड बहुत ज्यादा है और काफी कोहरा, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। अपना लकड़ी जो हम लोग इधर उधर से जुड़ा करके जो है जलाया जा रहा है, हाथ तपा जा रहा है। सरकार की तरफ से कोई जो है वो नहीं है सुविधा, और आप ऐसे भी देख ही रहे सामने क्या वो है।
So far the people here in the Kashmir Valley are not getting any kind of relief from the severe cold which we are witnessing for last many days. Even yesterday night the temperatures dipped down to -3 degree, and in the day they are not improving much. Even in the day, it is 11 now, the temperatures settled here are around 1 to 2 degrees centigrade. You can see behind me the Dal Lake, which often in the day is filled with the tourists and the people moving in the shikaras, but even in the day the people are not coming out here in the Dal Lake, as the dipping temperatures somehow stops the people and the tourists as well to come out in the open. The Met Department has already predicted a fresh snowfall from today here in the Kashmir Valley, and it is the counting day tomorrow, so the weather and the declining temperatures could put an spoiler part in the whole counting process. So far the heating arrangements had been made for the counting staff in all counting centers, but despite that, this weather condition is somehow the thing which is going to hamper whole process here in the Kashmir Valley. With cameraman Rauf Ahmed, Ashraf Wani for Headlines Today in Srinagar.